You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome. Today we're diving into why SDC International Shipping should be your top choice for global moves. If you're planning to relocate overseas, stick around. We're going to discuss our expertise, comprehensive services, popular destinations, and our customer-centric approach. Let's get started. At SDC International Shipping, we pride ourselves on our extensive experience in handling international relocations. Moving overseas can be complicated, but our team of experts is dedicated to providing personalized solutions tailored to your specific needs. From your initial consultation to the final delivery, we aim to make your move as seamless as possible. Our services are designed to cover every aspect of your move, ensuring you don't have to worry about a thing. Here's a breakdown of what we offer. Free moving estimates. We provide accurate and no obligation quotes to help you plan your move efficiently. Live chat support. Have questions? Our live chat feature on our website is available to assist you in real time, ensuring you get the information you need promptly. Professional packing and unpacking. Our skilled team ensures your belongings are packed securely and unpacked with care, minimizing the risk of damage. Custom clearance assistance. We handle all the necessary paperwork and procedures for smooth custom clearance, making your move stress-free. Secure storage solutions. Need temporary storage? We offer safe and convenient storage options to keep your belongings secure until you're ready for delivery. At SDC International Shipping, we place our customers at the heart of everything we do. Our goal is to remove the hassle from your relocation process, providing you with peace of mind and allowing you to focus on the excitement of your new adventure. We understand that every move is unique, and we tailor our service to meet your individual requirements. From the moment you contact us, our dedicated team works closely with you to understand your specific needs and preferences. This personalized approach ensures that your move is handled with the utmost care and attention to detail. Clear and open communication is key to a successful move. We keep you informed at every stage of the process, providing regular updates and addressing any concerns you may have. Our live chat feature on our website is always available for real-time assistance, ensuring you have access to the information you need when you need it. Our commitment to quality is reflected in every aspect of our service, from our professional packing techniques to our secure storage solutions. We strive to exceed your expectations. We take pride in our work and are dedicated to delivering a high level of service that ensures your belongings arrive safely and on time. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We go above and beyond to ensure that your experience with SDC International Shipping is positive and stress-free. Our team is always ready to address any issue that may arise and to find solutions that meet your needs. We value your feedback and continuously strive to improve our services based on your input. Choosing SDC International Shipping means partnering with a company that really cares about your relocation experience. Our customer-centric approach ensures that you receive the highest level of service and support, making your overseas move from Los Angeles a success. Choosing SDC International Shipping means opting for a team committed to removing the hassle from your relocation process. Our comprehensive service ensures that every detail is managed professionally, allowing you to focus on the excitement of your new adventure. Visit us online or call us to get started on your journey today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.